To connect Ticket Tailor to Zapier using our new API integration, start by opening Box Office Settings and then open the API tab from the left-hand menu. Click Generate a New Key to create a new API key. Set the role to admin and deselect the checkbox for Hide Personal Data from Responses. Click Generate Key. Make sure to copy the API key since we'll only show it to you once. You'll need it in a later step. Now, go to Connect Apps from the left-hand menu and click the No Code Automations tab. Under Zapier, click Sign Up or Log In if you already have an account. You'll see a pop-up window that prompts you to log in to Zapier. In the Zapier dashboard, click the Create button on the top left to start creating a new Zap. Click Trigger and search for Ticket Tailor 2.0. Choose an event that you'd like to kickstart your Zap, like Event Created. In the Account drop-down, click Connect a New Account. In the pop-up window, paste the API key you generated earlier and click Yes, Connect to Ticket Tailor 2.0. Once the connection is established, you'll see your account listed in the drop-down. Select it and click Continue. Click Test Trigger to make sure data is being sent correctly from Ticket Tailor into Zapier. As long as records are returned by the test, the Ticket Tailor connection has been established. Now, you can click Continue with Selected Record to continue setting up your Zap.